Hi, very good morning, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Austin Dragon Sylvester, and today I'm going to unbox some items which I have been ordered from Shoploose. So let's do it. So let's open this, and I'm going to unbox first of all. Hi, dear guys, invoice which I've ordered. So I've ordered one. Let me check. Lazy window black aluminium iron gas toaster. So basically I as per the Shoploose price it is for 99 rupees, and I get a discount of 31 rupees, and minus of 3 rupees of Shoploose bucks, so its total cost me of 65 rupees. Here is the invoice, you can see, my dear friends. Let's unbox this now. So here is our toaster. Actually, basically it's a toaster from which we can just put the bread in it, and we can just put a sandwich on it, and we can directly toast this in gas. Let's check that how's the quality we are getting in the price of rupees. As per the Shoploose, it's cost 99, but I've paid total 65 rupees for this. Let's see that is it a price worth money or not. So here is our toaster, and well, quality it's nice, no doubt. We can put our aloo sandwich, and we can just lock this by the lock. I was having a lock here and just drop it, so we can lock this. So this is how the toaster is looking. It's quite good. Let's do it. Let's put this set on side. Let's another item. So for that I've just paid only just 87 rupees. So basically it's a close-up air close-up Everfresh anti-germ gel toothpaste. So at a price of 87 I got this, and they are 150 grams each in the quantity of 2. So totally we are just getting 300 gram of paste at just rupees 87. It's a really wonderful deal. So here it is, my dear friends. This is a pack of 2 150 grams each toothpaste, and let's open this. Is it real or not? Actually the packaging is real. So my dear friends, it's absolutely real. Nice. Side, and let's go with another unboxing. So here we are having one lazy window shopping. Actually there is nothing mentioned about the product that what I have ordered, so I need to unbox this. So let's check this. And at the price what I have just paid for, first of all I will just put out the invoice. Firstly I will just put out invoice, then we'll see invoice that what do I have ordered, and for how much money it's getting me cost. Here is our invoice, and I've paid total 99 rupees, and I've get a discount of 15 rupees and plus discount of 12 rupees of Shoploose bucks. So it's total cost me 72 rupees. Let's put it out that what we are getting is just rupees 72. my dear friends, here we have what is it? Okay, my dear friends, it's a mic, and I don't know what cover is this and for what purpose. Okay, actually, my dear friends, this is a device. We can shoot our any kind of video shoot. If we want to just make a recording, so we can just set our camera on, and if we want to make a video from front camera, so we can go for it, and if we want to make a photo shoot from the back camera, so we can go for it. So it's having a very seal, an airtight seal, and when we will lock this, so none of any kind of a water will go inside, and through this we can able to make a video shoot. Just like we need to drop this in a water and we can make a video shoot. But actually, as I am really scared to like do this kind of a thing, so I will never try this. But if you want to try, and but if you want to use this as your like a bag for carrying your mobile phone for safety from rain, so you can also use for it as a pouch for your rain cover for your mobile phone. My dear friends, in this box we got two items. So one was this, and the second item was this is a microphone. So here basically it's a microphone from which we can make our video shoot, and in this pouch as well we are getting many things. We are getting one microphone through which we can make our YouTube videos. We get microphone for our YouTube videos, and we are getting two SIM injector tool, and we are getting one. So my dear friends, we are getting this OTT cable. From this we can able to connect the Hotstar as well as any kind of a chipset of Amazon or anything. So my dear friends, also we can able to stick from this a fire stick, and we can enjoy movies by the package of Amazon, Netflix or any super sticks.
यट्टा गैया शिव शिव नीवन्नी विन्ता